Welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Mari from Best RV in Turlock, California. What is behind me is a beautiful family travel trailer. It's a brand new 2025 Keystone Springdale 310Br. What's beautiful about this 31-foot travel trailers, has two slide outs and it has a nice bunk room in the back and outdoor kitchen. So the reason why everybody like this one is because they want separation for their bunk room. They want the bunk room separate room where they close the door and the kids go to bed and there's no disturbing. Or you could tell the kids, go to your room, go play in your room. And that's the one that has it. So the bunk is not open to the living room. The bunk is in a separate room in the back. And it has the full outdoor. So one thing about Keystone Springdale, 3-year warranty. That's a big deal. 3-year structural warranty and 1-year tip to tip. Plus the full roof. As usual, they give you the electric tongue jack in the front. 2 propane tank with a cover. And it has a pass-through storage. And one thing about Keystone, you need to know, Keystone, automatically they're going to give you the 220-watt solar panel on the roof. So as you see, this one has a 220 solar flex solar panel on the roof. Has also outside TV hookup, outside shower bed pole, and it has the 2-burner range stove with a sink. A lot of outdoor kitchen travel trailer, they don't give you the sink. This one has a sink, 2-burner range, and it has, you open it here, so you can see there's the big fridge. Show your beers or soda, so you could physically cook outside and enjoy the outdoor. In the back, beautiful spare tire cover, backup camera prep, ladder prep. And then you can see here the 2 slide out. So this is the slide out of the bunk room and the separation between the bunk room and the living room. And then this is the big slide out where it has the dinette and the sofa. Endless hot water heater, that's a big deal. So the kids, you don't have to run out of water. And then you have the pass-through storage. We talk about it. Look over here. That's a big deal. They give you inverter prep and they give you the solar panel. And this is the 30 amp solar controller. And you could control it with Bluetooth. Coming inside. Oh, that's a big deal. I don't know. I have to show you in dark like this. Come here to the back, the cameraman. Show them this all front is LED light. This LED light and that. It's so nice and it's bright in the camera. The kids love it. But again, if it's bother you, no big deal. There's a switch. Springdale, what I really like about it, they make it really modern, contemporary, as you could see. So one big deal. Put where's my foot. Look at it. Flush floor slide out. That's a big deal. Some of them, they don't do that. So they give you the nice jackknife sofa. So this is a bed. It's very simple. Second. Actually, no. It's even better. It's the hide-a-bed sofa, not a jackknife sofa. Good. So we paid, sound to us, we paid more to give you this option because normally they come jackknife sofa, but this particular unit, it comes with the nice hide-a-bed sofa, and I'll demonstrate it for you. So this is a good sleeping place. Voila, you can sleep 1 or 2, whatever you like. So this is, I call it, is a big family sleeper because you have the queen bed in the front, you have the hide-a-bed sofa, you have the dinette, and then you have the beautiful bunk room in the back with all the storage on it, all the closets. So this is a big deal. Because a lot of people, they say, I need a privacy for my kids, and I need more storage, and I need more space. Again, nice dinette. You can sit here, you see, and is very roomy. Back from there, you have a nice pantry closet. But I want to show something because I want to close this door to understand what does mean privacy. So now you think it's 1 slide, 1 travel trailer, but in reality it is 2 slide outs. Kitchen wise, very nice prep area, front, right, left of the sink, country sink with the rise faucet, place for trash can, and nice storage. Beautiful. Love the 2-tone colors. Now, What do you need more than that in a kitchen? Tell me. All this kitchen. I don't know what you're gonna fill it, but there's plenty. Plus, the lady, she said, always, Niall, I told you, where's my pantry? Well, Niall said, here's your pantry. Look, all these shelves. Also, nice 3-burner range. I love this backsplash. It's like marbles. Three-burner range. And they give you the convection microwave. And then you have the 12-volt cubic for refrigerator. Amazing unit. It has everything you ask for. Now, let's go look here. Now, they said, no, where's my TV? Well, the reason why we don't bring the TV on the Springdale, because you could go to Costco, grab a 40-inch TV for a couple of $100, 50-inch TV for $300. The factory, they charge us more. We said, you know what? We keep it options to the customers. If they want to buy it, we sell it to them. If they decide to buy it there and they have an extra TV in their garage, voila, they could put it here, and there is support for it. Going here, if you come this way, the cameraman, I want to show them. I want you to point on this side here. Other manufacturers in this floor plan is this wall where the pocket door is touched up to the mattress. Here's, I could walk around the bed. Some other brand, this structure is strictly touching the mattress. It's like you dive in the bed. But here I'm not diving in the bed because I could walk this side, I could walk that side, and I could walk this side. Then also you have a second AC over your bedroom. So you have so when you and the wife laying down here, you have a beautiful air conditioner blowing air on you. Then as well, you have another air conditioner in the back right there. And both they are ducted. So that means I could put the cold air through both. And this unit has a full storage underneath with a shock. Some competitor, they don't even give you the shock. So these kind of things, we show you how good this trailer. And then you have the pass through. Then you ask me, people, oh, Niall, what's this here in the corner? Well, guess what? This is your laundry chute. I could get a basket underneath, throw my dirty clothes, and then I don't have to mess with it. Closet, both way. I love this. Storage bins, underwear, socks, you name it. Whatever you like. Pocket doors. So if I'm going to close this one, so the cameraman show you, these pocket doors is give you a full privacy in the bedroom, so nobody could see anything. Full privacy in the bedroom. Also, you could close them so they don't trouble. You snap it, and done. And this way you have 2 pocket doors. Now here's another thing. This is your bathroom. And honestly, okay, me personally, why I like a bunk model with 2 doors. Bunk model with 2 doors is help a lot, because when you have a big family, guess what? Where do you spend most of the time? You spend it outside. The kids playing in the pool, or playing in the river or the oceans, or hiking, and then they coming, their boots all full of dirt. They have stuff on their clothes. The dogs being on the beach. You name it. You guys, you've been around all of that. Well, guess what? If you have only 1 door, what's going to happen? They're going to walk away from all the way in the front, all the way to the bathroom, and they drag all their sands and dirt to get to the bathroom. Now, when you have a second door over here, what am I dragging? I'm not dragging nothing. I'm going to tell my kids, take your shoes off and go straight to the shower. Voila. So you come over here, you have your own sink, and you can see the shower. Easy for the kids to get in. Even if some people has issue with their knees, they could get in the showers with no problem. Nice skylight, big curtains, get clean up, and then walk to nice trailers without making mess. So the advantage of having a door to the bathroom. Also, another thing they don't realize, why I like this second door to the bathroom. Let's say I'm driving on the freeway, and then the kids, Dad, I want to use the bathroom. Well, you're on the side of the freeway, everybody going 65 miles an hour, and you got like, ooh, I got 30 feet trailer behind me, I need to open the slide to get to the bathroom. Well, no, in this floor plan, you don't have to touch nothing. All you do, you pull outside, make sure you be safe, and then just open the door and let the kids use the bathroom, do their work, do their business. And you don't have to open the two slide out. You don't have to nothing. And that's the beauty about having a second door to the second bathroom and make it easier, especially when you have kids. I got 3 kids and I know exactly what you guys are going through. Now, this, I leave the last part because this what people love to have. You have a separate room and it's a complete room. And this one, voila. You have 1 bunk here, 2 bunk here, you have 3 bunk here, and you have 4. I could sleep easy for people. Also, it's already set up for a third TV. I could put TV here so the kids watch, because I get kids and they love Xbox. I could put this, sitting, enjoying playing Xbox. Then another friends, cousin, nephew, niece is sitting there playing, yelling, screaming, who's winning the game, and so on. I could sit, relax, have my drinks. Another kids, they could, sit, lay down here, and enjoying the game. Some people sitting there enjoying the game or watching a movie, nice popcorn. So they have their kids their own room, their own kingdom. That's what they love it. Plus, you as a customer love to have a storage. Guess what? All this is the storage. Toys, games, books, cars, you name it. I mean, you could put anything you want. I mean, I had one customer, he took this one, he put an office. I had a customer, he can remove these cushions. Because these cushions, if you guys, let me show you. Voila, 1 person. And again, by the way, you put this, the way how it's worked, you put this like that, okay, and you put this in the back, and then you lay down. Oh my God, nice. And I play game. I wish to play game Xbox. So you sleep 1 adult, 2 adults, or 2 big kids, another 3rd kid here, and 4th in the top. So 4 in the top, so 4 in this room, 1 in the dinette, that's 5. 1 or 2 in the on the hide-a-bed sofa, that's 5, 6, 7, and 1 in the upper bunk, that's 8. And then mom and dad 2, 10. So this unit sleep 10 people. I mean, if you're a big family, that is the trailer for you. Put this back, and we forgot to mention, I mean, again, you could play with it the way you want to, sir. You could sit this way, put them the other way. Voila. I'm enjoying the game. This is the perfect, the 310 is perfect. Especially if you have a big family and you need separation, you need a lot of storage, and you take nephew, nieces with you, cousins, another bunk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people I could sleep in this room. And if the kids give you a hard time, you just say, slow down, and close the door. So this is the 310 BHR. Price, shop. What's our model? Low price no dealer could match in California, this side of the country. And what else? No hidden fees. What else? Get ready package for free. Coming in.